Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play chess on your Apple Watch. First, you will need to find a chess application. Begin by pressing the digital crown on your watch to open the App Store. Once there, use the search function to look for chess. You will find several options, including popular choices like Super Chess for watch and phone. Select your preferred game and follow the on-screen instructions to install it directly onto your device. You may need to enter your passcode to authorize the download. Once the chess app is installed, open it from your Apple Watch's application list. Most chess games offer various modes, with playing against the computer being a common choice. You can typically select from several difficulty levels, from easy for beginners to more challenging settings for experienced players. Some applications also provide options to connect with friends or other online opponents, allowing for a more social gaming experience right from your wrist. Playing chess on your watch involves simple touch controls. To make a move, first tap on the chess piece you want to move. The app will highlight the piece, indicating it is selected. Next, tap on the destination square where you want to place your piece. For precise control on the small display, some apps allow you to use the digital crown to navigate the board or even undo a move. Always ensure your tap is accurate to avoid accidental blunders, and confirm your move if prompted by the game. Playing chess on your Apple Watch offers a unique and portable experience. To make the most of it, practice regularly to get accustomed to the smaller screen and touch controls. Many apps include an undo button, which is incredibly useful for correcting accidental taps or rethinking a strategic move. Starting with easier computer opponents can help you adjust to the gameplay on your wrist. Enjoy the convenience of playing a full game of chess anytime, anywhere, directly from your watch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.